Today, I'm going to teach you how to sign up to Weebly. If you're looking to build a website quickly and easily without any coding knowledge, Weebly is a fantastic platform that makes the entire process straightforward and beginner-friendly. First, open your web browser and head over to Weebly.com. Once you're on the Weebly homepage, you'll immediately notice the Sign Up button, typically positioned prominently at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on Sign Up. This action will take you directly to the registration page where you can start creating your new account. Now you'll be presented with a registration form that requires some basic information. The first field you'll need to fill in is your first name. Type that in clearly. Right below that, you'll see a field for your last name, so enter that as well. These details help personalize your Weebly experience and are important for account identification. Next, move down to the email field. Here, you'll need to enter a valid email address. This email is crucial because Weebly will use it to send you account verification messages, important updates, and any notifications related to your website. Make sure you use an email address that you check regularly and have access to. After entering your email, you'll see the password field. Choose a strong, secure password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters if possible. A strong password is essential for protecting your account and your website from unauthorized access. Remember to store this password somewhere safe, as you'll need it every time you log in. Below the password field, you'll find the location option. Select your country or region from the drop-down menu. This helps Weebly tailor its services and comply with regional regulations specific to your location. Once you've filled in all these fields, you'll notice a checkbox, usually near the bottom of the form. This checkbox is typically for agreeing to Weebly's terms of service and privacy policy. Go ahead and check this box to indicate that you accept their terms. It's always a good idea to quickly review these policies if you have time, just to understand what you're agreeing to. Finally, with all your information entered and the checkbox marked, click the Continue button. This will submit your registration details and create your Weebly account, allowing you to start building your website immediately. And there you have it, you've successfully signed up to Weebly and you're ready to start creating your website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.